Welcome back to Unit 7. Today we are going to learn a science fiction, The Iron Man. Children, look at the slide. You can see the name of the book, The Iron Man, written by British writer Ted Hooks. It is a children's story. As we already said, it is a science fiction novel by British writer Ted Hooks. What happens in story The Iron Man? The Iron Man tells the story of a gigantic metal robot who appears out of nowhere, crashing onto the beach and shattering into many parts. Children, see the word or the adjective used to show the size of the metal robot is gigantic, which means the metal robot is very big. You can see the pictures in the slide which describes the first paragraph. In the first picture, the Iron Man came from nowhere and he is standing on the edge of a high cliff in the second picture. He falls from the cliff in the third picture. In the last picture, you can see the beach where bits and pieces of the Iron Man lay scattered. The robot is discovered by a young boy called Hogarth, who becomes his friend. The Iron Man proceeds to devour or swallow cars, bicycles, tractors, and all farm machineries. So the farmers were very scared of him and they want to get rid of the robot. But the boy was there to support him always. During this time, a strange creature visits the earth. You can see the picture of the strange visitor, a dragon. To know the end of the story or end of the events, you have to read the full story. Children, now we can go to page 106 to discuss the question and answer. Question number 1a. Who or what do you think the book will be about? Answer: the coming of the Iron Man. Question number 2. Do you think it is based on a real character? Answer: no, it is not based on a real character. Children, you know an Iron Man is an imaginary character. Question number 3. What genre of you think it is? Why? Answer: science fiction, because the characters are Iron Man and Space Bat Angel Dragon. Children, you can take page 107. Here you can see 5 headings. Read the summaries A to D given below and match them with the title and write them in sequence. Here 5 summaries are given. You can read from your learner's book page 107 and match with the headings. You can see the answer in the next slide. In this slide, you can see the titles are written in sequence. First one, the coming of the Iron Man. Second, the return of the Iron Man. Third, what is to be done with the Iron Man. 4, the space being and the Iron Man. And fifth one is the Iron Man's challenge. Question number 3. Who do you think are the main characters in the novel? Answer: the Iron Man, Hogarth, and the Space Bat Angel Dragon. Children, now go back to page 103a. Choose the correct form of the verb to be to make these sentences happen right now. You can read the questions from your textbook. Teacher has written the answers. Sathara's sisters are teasing her again. Are is the verb. Are is the helping verb. While Sathara is singing, the prince spots the pin. The to be verb is. The animals are protecting Chenia from harm. The to be verb is are. Why are you crying? Asked the old woman. And the helping verb is used is are. Children, you can see the homework given in this slide. Go through it and do it in your notebook.